So there's no doubt about it. We are all snowflakes. And I mean that in a good way. When it comes to each individual, we have individual symptoms when we are presented with an illness. So allergies for some people might be sneezing, burning eyes, running nose. For some people, it might be fatigue, foggy, headache, something more maybe in the sinuses. In homeopathy, your symptoms matter to find the right remedy. So if it is more of a sinus issue, I'd actually recommend this product from Barion. It's called Sinus Calm. It's got 3 remedies in it: belladonna, spigelia, and sanguinaria. Belladonna is amazing for the pain that might be associated with the sinuses. Sanguinaria is great for the actual sinus issue, and spigelia is great for headaches. So the previous product I mentioned was Rhine allergy. That's again more for the sneezing, the burning eyes, the running nose, those kind of things. If you feel like none of these symptoms match anything you have, go ahead and check out the Barion store. They have a lot of combination remedies, and what they say on their packets is what it's actually going to address. You can probably just also go to CVS or Walgreens and check out the homeopathic offerings there. Like I said, this isn't suppressing any of your allergies, it's actually helping to treat it. So ideally, if you take more homeopathy or if you start to use homeopathy, you're helping your body to heal so that next season this won't be as bad. I'm really interested to know if this will help you. If not, let me know. We'll keep looking for something even more targeted.